Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Haley, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Euroflap liner in Canva using the PrintsWell templates. Okay, so to start us off, let's make sure that you have the right template downloaded. So you'll go over here to our resources and click templates, and it'll bring you to this page where you can scroll down and you'll see we offer a variety of templates here, but today I'm going to be using the liner template, so let's find that. Okay, so let's scroll down and click the envelope liners button here. And in the drop down, you'll see Euroflap envelope liners. And I'm going to click that right there. And it's going to download it directly to my computer. Okay, great. So now that I have those downloaded, I'm going to head back over into Canva. Okay, so as you can see, I already have my design ready to go. All I need to do is apply my template. So I'm going to show you how to upload that into Canva and apply it to the design. Okay, so first thing we need to do is make sure we upload the correct template. So today I'm going to be using the A7 envelope liner template. All right, and to do that, we're going to start by clicking the upload button here. And then you'll see where it says upload files. You'll click that as well. And then you'll go search for your template files on your computer. So today I'm going to be using the Euroflap liner, and I'm going to be using the size A7. And in Canva, we like to suggest that you use the PNG file as they work the best for Canva. So we're going to click into the PNG file and find A7 Euroflap liner. Okay, so there it is, and I'm going to click open, and it's going to upload, and then you'll take that file and drop it onto your artwork. All right, so we're going to take it now and size it to fit our artwork. Alrighty. Okay, so one of the things that I do want to make sure that you guys are aware of, this template will only fit if your artwork size matches the artboard size. So good way to check for that is to click File and to make sure that this number matches this number, and it does. And if it doesn't, it's really easy and simple fix. You'll click Resize here and go over here to Custom Size, and then you'll pop in those measurements and then click Resize this design. And then your template should fit just fine. Okay, so now that we have the template in here, a couple things that I want to make sure that you're aware of is that this trim line right here is exactly where it's going to be cut. So you'll want to make sure that you are happy with that design and make sure that it looks good. You can even take it and extend it out, fit to whatever your heart desires. Okay, just one final review. Like it? Okay, so I love this and I'm happy with it and I want to export it for printing. So I'm going to take my template and remove it. Always remove your template before you print. And then you'll click the share button up here, scroll down to download, and then make sure you do a PDF print, flatten that PDF, change the color profile to CMYK, and then hit download. You'll want to make sure that you give it a name that's easily findable in your computer. Trust me. And then we wait for it to download. Perfect. All right, so now that the file is exported, we're going to head over into the PrintsWell ordering portal and I'm going to show you how to place this order. Okay, so welcome to the PrintsWell ordering portal. Let's go ahead and start by clicking Start Order here. All right, and then we're going to go select our liners. So you can either order the envelopes and order the liners with the envelopes, or you can order the liners alone as they are. I am going to order the envelopes and apply the liners to them. So I'm going to click envelopes and then I'm going to click the corresponding size, which would be the 5/7. Okay, so I got my color selected. And all right, now I'm going to select my quantity. Okay, I'm just going to ask you a few more questions and I am not going to be doing any printing today. But yes, I would like liners for these envelopes. So I'm going to click yes. And then I'm going to click which paper type I want. I'm going to do the 70 Tex Wig Smooth Bright White. And would you like for us to line your envelopes? Yes, I would. Always yes. Okay, so with that being done, we're going to go find the liner file that we saved earlier from Canva. Okay, so it's uploading. Beautiful. All right, so I'm going to click next. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and confirm that all of my information here is correct. Okay, so I went ahead and added it to my cart. And then you'll go down and fill out all the rest of your information. Okay, so before you submit, as always, please make sure that everything is correct. Liner assembly is selected. Love that. We will glue your envelope liners for you. It is the best thing that you could do for yourself. All right, so make sure all of your other information is correct. Hit update. All right. All right, so you hit checkout, choose your shipping. It'll give you an estimated ship date, and then you'll click submit order. Yes, I am ready to submit this order. Okay, perfect. So there's our confirmation. We have an invoice number. All of the information is still correct. And I am very excited about the envelope lining service. It's probably one of my favorite things to use here at PrintsWell. So I will also grab some footage of that for you guys so you guys can see what that process looks like. Our team is very careful and very precise with the envelope lining process. And if you have ever used the service with us, you know how time saving it can be. And honestly, it's a no brainer. I love this service and it has saved me many times. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's exactly how you would download our liner template, apply it to your design in Canva, export, and then place the order through PrintsWell. And if this tutorial helped you today, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stick around for more tutorials. Thank you so much. Bye. As promised, here's a little behind the scenes look at how we assemble envelope liners here at PrintsWell. Once your artwork is printed, each liner is precision die cut to fit your envelope and carefully hand assembled by our team. Our envelope lining service is available as an optional add-on service for an additional charge. So if you'd rather skip the assembly, we've got you covered. And since every liner is assembled by hand, adding the service may add an additional 1 to 2 business days to production time. And now here is the finished product.